What up, TechCrunch land? It's me, Tito, and I'm a big fan of Binging with Babish on YouTube. They say imitation is the sincerest form of flattery, and also the easiest for us to copy. Go subscribe to him, he's cool. So in front of me, I have 3 chicken meal prep kits. We got Sunbasket, Blue Apron, and HelloFresh. Oh, hello. Let's start with that one. Oh, and it came with an apron! The recipes: chimichurri chicken paillard bag, boneless chicken breast, ensalada, 2 garlics, tomatoes, Italian parsley, a yam, double yam, a lemon, honey, 2 things of cumin grounds. All right, first you're gonna wanna cut the sweet potatoes in 1/2 inch wedges. Chris is gonna show you how to do it properly. I'm gonna show you how to do it improperly. After you've learned from Chris and have cut up your sweet potatoes, throw them on a pan. You just gotta throw them on there, and Chris will add his way nicer. A drizzle of olive oil, teaspoon of cumin, and salt bay it. In a small bowl, you're gonna mix together parsley, a pinch of garlic, a squeeze of lemon, some olive oil,
1, 2,
and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Then some salt and pepper to taste, but we didn't have any pepper, so we just used salt. Mix it all together. And look at how gooey that looks. Now onto the chicken. You're gonna wash it, pat it dry, and you're gonna cut 3/4 of the way through without cutting all the way. Add some salt, a little bit of cumin, and then just rub it in. Oh yeah. While Chris takes the chicken to cook on the stove, you make the salad. Lettuce, tomatoes, some honey. Put all that honey in there. And then follow that with a squeeze of lemon and stir it all up. Now it's time to serve. Lay down a bunch of salad and plate that chicken breast. Chicken breast like how my mama used to make it. I'm a chef de la chef. Add the sweet potatoes, then take that sweet nectar of the gods chimichurri sauce and drizzle it all over the chicken. It might not be pretty, but I bet you it sure is tasty.
All right, and now I'm gonna try it. Looks like it's been fully cooked. It's pretty salty, just how I like it. It's super salty. No, that was my bad.
Yeah, I might have accidentally put a little bit too much salt, but besides that, the meal turned out great. The salad paired nicely with the chicken, and the sweet potatoes were delicious. So 2 more meals to make.
There's the recipes: scallions, golden potatoes, chicken, a garlic, chicken paillard knickknacks, fennel bulb, crushed red pepper, raisins, fusion, I don't know what that is, white vinegar, 4 Casso Vetrano olives.
First we're gonna cut the potatoes, and then we're gonna dice the fennel into small pieces. Then chop up some olives, followed by chopping some green onions, separating the green tops from the white bottoms, which I forgot to do. Then have Chris show you proper technique for chopping garlic. We move on to cooking the fennel. Take the fennel, place it on a baking sheet, every speck, even that one that just fell off. A drizzle of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, but he doesn't have pepper, so we will just move on to the chicken. Pat it dry, need a mallet, he doesn't have that either. For how much of a chef he is, he's missing some stuff, but I love him anyways. Smash that chicken.
That one too hard over there. Chris is helping me with the cooking part because he's way more of a man than I am. Look at that beard, it's freaking amazing. And also he can handle himself in the kitchen. I don't want to burn myself because I'm so fragile.
All right, now to get the food into my mouth as quickly as possible. First, plate the chicken. Follow that with the sliced potato and fennel side dish that you created. Then top it all off with the olive pan sauce. This stuff was very flavorful. Now as a garnish, some green scallions. And there you have it, a chicken paillard and olive raisin sauce from Blue Apron. The only thing left to do now is dig in.
It has a very chickeny taste, but honestly, the raisins with the chicken combined, it tastes pretty good. It's like a little sweetness to the salty chicken. The sauce is like very saucy.
We're not having a cooking show.
We are having a cooking show. This meal is delicious. Let's move on to Sunbasket.
So you got your hook, cashews, carrots, Moroccan spice blend, cilantro, a lime, coconut oil, radishes, 1/4 iceberg lettuce, chicken. and sesame dressing.
Thinly slice the cabbage. Add chicken to bowl. Combine melted coconut oil and Marrakesh seasoning. Ooh, it smells so Marrakesh-y. Then spread chicken evenly on baking sheet. We now move on to the slaw. Cabbage, radishes, carrots, crushed cashews with the bottom of a bowl, and salt to taste. Flip the chicken halfway through its 30 minutes cooking, then take out and serve. Add slaw to the plate, grab as many chicken wings as your heart desires, a couple lime wedges, and drench that slaw in some sesame dressing. Now clean up your workspace just a little bit and tip that plate and show the camera what you just made, because I'm a chef.
Here's the first bite. Marrakesh chicken wings. You know, when it was cooking, it had that like amazing smell, but I'm not getting as much flavor on it. Try this, Joe.
It's good. I like it.
It's good, but I think it's missing a little bit of, like, I want it to have even more flavor. I mean, I'm gonna finish the plate. Some lime.
It's definitely not bad.
It's not bad. Joe doesn't eat salad. It's against his religion, and we have to respect that. I think I might join Joe's religion on this salad. But Sunbasket is definitely, I think it's supposed to be like more healthier, more green, less processed, all that kind of stuff. And you can taste it. You're really missing out on the processing. Just kidding. It's good. I love it. I'll eat it. HelloFresh, Blue Apron, and Sunbasket. Now, ordering these meals, pretty simple, straightforward across all platforms. You have an app, you pick what you want, they mail it to you, boom, you have food. Now, HelloFresh came in before the Blue Apron and Sunbasket. I don't know why, but that could be any reason. These meals look great. I mean, you have a variety of color, variety of textures and tastes. On the freshness factor, Sunbasket says that everything here is organic. I'm pretty sure HelloFresh is also organic, where Blue Apron isn't organic, but all these vegetables and food, everything was perfect. I mean, I didn't see anything with bruises, any problems. Freshness, thumbs up all around. Ease of cooking, when you're a boss like me, it all comes easy. Just kidding, I needed a lot of help, and Chris helped me. This one was the easiest by far. There was just 2 items that you had to make, and mostly everything was chopped. These ones were a little bit more complicated, but overall, if you follow the instructions, I mean, they've really laid out everything that you have to do step by step. Blue Apron even has a checklist. HelloFresh has it all marked off by steps. Sunbasket has this whole booklet that they sent you, which I really enjoy, just having one paper to reference instead of going through the book. But overall, with instructions, HelloFresh has to be probably my favorite, with just ease and simplicity and big giant pictures to look at. In creativity itself, HelloFresh and Blue Apron blew Sunbasket out of the water. I mean, these meals are way more balanced, I think. You have the chicken, the salad, and the veggies. This one you're cooking with fennel. I've never even cooked with fennel before, and it was pretty good. With this one, the slaw was pretty plain, and the meat didn't come out as flavored as we thought it would when we were smelling it cook. It all comes down to taste. And let me say something, you know, it's all gonna start at a base of, I would clear any of these plates if it was put in front of me. But for me, my favorite meal overall between these 3 was HelloFresh. HelloFresh just tasted great. I mean, the chimichurri sauce on the chicken with the sweet potatoes and a fresh salad was really delightful, followed by Blue Apron's meal, because I've never cooked with fennel before, but the flavors of fennel really added to the meal. And then lastly, Sunbasket. I mean, they're all great, right? And Sunbasket, I'm not gonna say like I didn't like it, but it wasn't as flavorful as the other 2. You had a plainer coleslaw, and the chicken, while it was super aromatic while we were cooking it, even before we cooked it, it didn't come out as flavorful. So overall, my top pick is HelloFresh, followed by Blue Apron, followed by Sunbasket. All right, I hope you enjoyed the review, and let us know what else you want us to compare, because we're down, baby, to make things happen. Like us, subscribe to us, hit that little subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. All right, peace.
Nice. Are you filming that?
for yelling.